Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy Thursday. So guys, this video is about sanctuary token. In my last video, I mentioned some Christian coins or some prophetic coins. Sanctuary token is one of the coins that I mentioned. So guys, the market cap of this project is 1.2 million US dollars. Liquidity is 79,000 US dollars. This project was created 2 years ago. So guys, if you have spare money, conduct your research. You can buy Sanctuary token. SANC is a meme coin that fuels the SANC ecosystem, bridging blockchain fund with real-world programs, community empowerment, and future DeFi integration. So, guys, I believe this project is gonna do a lot of things, DeFi and real-world programs. So, guys, you can observe and watch this coin before you buy. You can pray and ask God if you should buy Sanctuary token. So guys, this is the X account of Sanctuary token. We are growing stronger as a community. So guys, you can check it out. This community is growing stronger. The watchmen are ready. Are you? So guys, if you are interested in this project, are you ready? So guys, this is the website of Sanctuary token. You can buy on Pancake Swap. You can also view the chart on Deck Screener, which I've showed you already. So guys, if you want to buy this project, you can copy the contract address from the website. So guys, you can check out the website for detailed information before you make your move. So guys, this is the statistics of this project. Holders 1.5k, market cap 1.2 million, total bond 395.32, liquidity 79.2k. So guys, you can check this out before you buy this coin. So guys, I'm going to show you how to buy this coin. You copy. If you have Trust Wallet, you go to Trust Wallet. Make sure you have BNB in your wallet. So guys, you click on swap. You click on swap. In the search space, you paste the contract address. So guys, this is SANC. You swap BNB to buy this coin. I don't have enough BNB in my wallet. So guys, you swap BNB to buy this coin. You can reduce your spillage percentage to 0.5. You click on this green button, guys, you will buy this project. You can also buy this on Pancake Swap. You click on Dex, you click on Pancake Swap. You click on Connect Wallet. So guys, in the search space, you copy and paste the contract address again. You click on Import. You click on I understand. So guys, you swap BNB to buy this coin. So guys, conduct your research before you buy this project. I believe this project will do well. The market cap is 1.2 million US dollars. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.